Tobu is a highly collaborative tool, and so if you want to get started with collaboration, you need to first start inviting users to use Tobu. And how do you do that? You simply click on Invite Users on the left panel. It'll show you a pop-up with the different kinds of invitations that you can send. One is the teammate invitation, then there's the vendor invitation and client invitation. And if you generally want to spread the love about Tobu, you can also refer Tobu to others. So let's see what each invitation means. So the teammate invitation means you want to invite other people within your recruitment team to use Tobu. And your entire team will have access to the shared database of resumes that you as an organization have. And that is the advantage of having teammates and a shared database. So now all you need to do is enter the email address of the teammate and hit invite teammate, and you're done. Tobu is also very intelligent in identifying potential teammates. So if you've linked your email to Tobu, it even identifies potential teammates, so it becomes easy to add them and start collaborating on Tobu. So you can even collaborate on jobs on Tobu, and that you can do not just with your teammates, you can also do with your vendors and your clients. So you can even invite them to start using Tobu, and you can directly exchange recruitment information and data right from Tobu itself. So you can exchange resumes, comments, interview schedules, and so on. So a lot of cool stuff. So all you need to do is enter their email ID and hit invite vendor or invite client, and you're done. So one thing to remember is vendors and clients do not have access to your database of resumes. Only teammates do. So vendors and clients will have their own company accounts, and only the information that you explicitly share with them will be visible to them.